Alright guys, I'm gonna cook some ramen noodles. Gotta get the ingredients real quick. I'm gonna go get more. I'm gonna get the ramen noodle pack. Face. Get in there.
Don't make a mess.
Why is it purple? It's red in real life. I just gotta mix the seasoning around here. Alright, let's go get the filter. We don't have any filters.
Go on that side. Just filter it, Mom.
What?
There's a lid in there, right?
What?
Get a tiny lid.
A lid? A lid of what?
Well, I'll just do it with the fork.
Is there a different filter?
No, grab a fork.
That's what I'm already gonna do.
Alright.
I have to have a fork to cook this, so I can push it
Well,
down.
when it's ready to drain, let me know.
Okay. There's no filters, so I don't know how I'm gonna drain this. I don't know how long my card on here is gonna last for this cooking, but let's just make it last as long as it can. Don't catch anything creepy in the background. I'm like, oh, what the frick was that? You see that? You see that? You see the thing? You see that? Oh! Kick myself. What? If it cuts out early, I may be really mad. But a long time ago, I remember deleting over 300 videos and pictures. So I should be fine because I deleted years of pictures, but things that weren't useless, just like pictures of work that wasn't even mine. It was probably done. It was from like 2019 and 2000. What? Why is this stuck in my gallery? I'm getting hot with this hot sleeve and this burner. Ah, dang. Ugh. Abort ship! Abort ship! It's about to bubbly. He's about to bubble. He's about to bubble.
Yeah, put too much water in there.
I need to be careful when he starts bubbling. Because I got this here. And if Bubbly gets on the phone, I might as well just like move this back a little. Yeah, change the position. Is it back in the same position? Oh my god. I thought I really... Mr. Bubbly? Board ship, board ship, board ship. I wanted a pre... Yeah, it's... Woo. That's some steamy... Steamy delight. Ooh, that looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, you're just casually in the background. You know, you're just casually. Bro, I look so stupid when you're over there putting Chick-fil-A sauce on your nuggets when I'm over here cooking a whole meal.
Mom, you're not posting that video.
What?
I don't want to be in your damn video.
Well, Dad, you always are.